In this question, we have to determine which statement is true. So we're going to start with A. So A says that the square root of 14 is 7. So what that means is that if I were to square 7, I should get 14. So while we may not be able to exactly get the answer of square root of 14 if we're unsure, we can always square 7. So 7 squared would mean 7 times 7. And that answer is 49. So what that means is that the square root of 49 must be equal to 7. So just from that, we can see that 7 can't be the square root of 14. So that's out. Let's look at B. B, we've got the square root of 121 is equal to 11. So looking at this one, let's try the same thing. Let's go with 11 squared, which means 11 times 11, and that is 121. So if I go and do the inverse operation, I obtain what's underneath my root sign here. So the answer here is B. But just to keep going here, for explanation's sake, let's look at 9 squared being equal to 18. So if we examine that a bit closer, we know that 9 squared means 9 times 9. And 9 times 9 is 81. The only way we could get 18 here would be if we had 9 plus 9. So we know that it can't be C. And if we look at D here, we have 1 squared is 2. But 1 squared means 1 times 1. And anything multiplied by 1 remains itself. So it couldn't be D either.